Hello and welcome back to Kasmith Motors. My name is Vishwas and today I'm going to talk about the importance of changing your transmission oil, especially if you have an automatic gearbox. Today we are working on a 2018 Skoda Octavia 1.8 TSI. This comes with a DQ200 DSG gearbox, and the DQ200 is known for its amazing performance, but at the same time it's known for its failures fairly frequently. And this is commonly used on most VAG cars. One of the biggest risks of skipping this ATF change is overheating. The mechatronic tends to fail over a period of time. The ideal interval to change the ATF is around 60 to 70,000 kilometers. And this particular car has done about 88,000, and the car has never been, the ATF has never been changed in the past. So we're going to perform the ATF change, and you can take a look at the difference in the oil quality, and you'll understand why it's important to change it maybe like every 30 to 40,000 kilometers, especially if the car's been driven in say city conditions or slow moving traffic, because the oil viscosity is extremely low, which means it tends to flow faster, but at the same time it doesn't have great heat retention capability. So it's a good idea to change the oil between 30 to 40,000 kilometers, especially if you drive a lot in the city, and to keep the car running safe and smooth. have a set of 4 jugs. On the extreme right is the old mechatronic oil, and we will be flashing a light through and to show you that the oil is pretty much reached the end of its life, and no light passes through it, which means there's a lot of contaminants inside already. And to its left is or to the right is the new oil, which you can clearly see it's got a nice golden amber color, and the light clearly passes through. The next jug is the old hydraulic oil, which again there's very little light coming through, and you can see a slightly improved light permeance in the new hydraulic gearbox oil. So this is the difference, and it's a good idea to change the oil at regular intervals to keep your gearbox and your car running smoothly. Thank you.